Right, so about a month ago, I made a video in where I asked all you lovelies to send me some fun and chaotic videos to film. And let's just say, I found one. Hey you guys, welcome back to our little channel. It's been a while, I know, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. So today I'll be doing a challenge where I single-handedly, no, I'm going to regret, I haven't drawn dominantly with my left hand in months. If you don't know, I'm a righty, so I just know it's going to be swell. I'm drawing my OC Yobi because I've been changing his design a lot. Literally look at how drastic it gets. Ooh. Anywho, I finally got around to redesigning him and made a design that fits the aesthetic I'm going for. Also, the little freaking carrot in his ear is so cute, and then his color palette is just so adorable upon it, and then he just looks so okay, I'm just rambling because I don't have a proper transition, and I was just hoping you guys would just like, all right, let's just hop in. Okay, all right, sorry. For Yobi's design, I wanted a more softer and more cuter approach, but also a very more memorable design, as I want to have him be the face of my channel alongside my personified OC that you guys literally see me draw in every single occasion, and she's always in the thumbnails and always in the corner of my videos when I pop her in here and there. Okay, so the left sketch did get cut out, well, the sketching part at least. So yeah, you guys didn't really see me suffer as much, but I would still have to color and line art over my left hand, so here's that. Also, just look, this looks kind of cute. He's just a little bit more chunky, you know, we stand chunk, and you know, but he still looks squishy. It's you know. You know, the sketch looked a little cuter, you know. Anyways, I know it may have failed. It was a fun experience nonetheless. I really enjoyed it. I still plan to do more art challenges like this. Recommend me some down below if you want to see me do it in the next video. And yeah. Thank you all if you reached the end of this video, and if you like more content like so, hit the like button, letting me know that you enjoyed, and why not subscribe, showing to me you enjoyed my content overall. Have an amazing day, and just know you could do it as well. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Stay Mofu and Mofus.